Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money with Microsoft's apps. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow some articles so we can have some several ways to make money with Microsoft's apps. And basically one of the easiest profits to use or to get with the Office is basically the RRP. And basically you will be managing Office or like for example migration to the Office services. And basically if your customer want to move to Office 365, they will be thinking about like buying direct as it's the most cost effective way for them to purchase licenses. But then you will need some as IT consultants or someone that would make the migration and that would manage this service. So basically you will be able to be kind of like a cloud service provider, and you will manage to start creating or managing the service plan in charge on per user and per month basis. And basically for each managed user, you will be charging some kind of amount of money. Otherwise, you can try like to monetize your app. So basically you can start like creating an app and then take them to or publish them to the application marketplace of Microsoft. And from there you can start creating some connection, etc., or developing some connection, and you can charge an amount of money for these connections. Or you can simply start like for example writing book using for example the publisher, or for example using the Microsoft editor to start creating your own publications, and you can start like writing, etc. So basically those were some ways to earn money with Microsoft's apps. Thank you for watching and see you next time.